All right, let's do this all-day battery drain test with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The time is now 6:51 a.m. Taking the phone off the charger now. We are at 100% battery life. So starting fresh off the charger here, just taking a quick look at what my settings are going to be like for the day. As you can see, I am using dark mode because I do prefer that over light mode. It also helps save battery life and it's just easier on the eyes. Now I will have my brightness set to about 100% throughout the day. I'm usually between 75 to 100%. And I also got the extra brightness turned on as well. Got that adaptive 120 Hertz display turned on. Got the vivid mode turned on, using the screen resolution at the highest, 10 minutes of screen timeout. And that is basically what my display settings are going to be like for the day. And I will be back and forth between a 5G connection and a Wi-Fi connection to keep this test as fair as possible, because not everybody can stay home and stay connected to that Wi-Fi connection all day long, which does help save battery life. Sometimes we're out and about and we got to be on that either 5G or 4G LTE connection, which does use up a bit more battery because the phone is constantly looking for that signal. So I will be back and forth throughout the day to keep it as fair as possible. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, first of all, please excuse my bed hair I got going on here. Literally just got out of bed to start this video. I want this to be as real as possible. But when it comes to my all-day battery drain test videos, the way this works is, every so many hours throughout the day, I'll be updating you all, letting you know what my usage has been like on this device, what my battery percentage at that time, and what my screen on time is as well at that specific time throughout the day. Now, keep in mind that, usage is different for everyone. Not everyone has the same type of usage on their device, so battery life will not be the same for everyone. You may not get the same exact results that I do. This is going to be based off of my own personal usage throughout the day. Now, I will be trying to use this phone pretty heavily today to see how much the battery can handle when it comes to gaming, social media, just pretty much everything that I can do on this device, because I want to see what it can handle and if we can get this to drain down to 0 by the end of the day. Because I'll tell you ahead of time that battery life on this device has been amazing. This is literally an all-day phone, could possibly even be a 2-day phone. It's been doing great when it comes to battery life. But I want to show you guys just how much this phone can handle. So with that said, I'll be updating you guys in another few hours. Let's go and get this test started. Okay, so can we just appreciate real quick how beautiful the display is on the Galaxy S23 Ultra? I mean, watching content on this device is just super enjoyable because of this big display, a pretty much bezel-less display, all screen experience. I mean, yeah, we get that punch hole camera cutout up at the top, but watching content on this device is just amazing. I've been watching content since this morning and it's absolutely beautiful. So I just had to take a quick moment to appreciate how beautiful this display is. But let's go ahead and go into my battery settings and see what my usage has been like. Okay, so first off, as you can see, taking a look at my battery widget here, we are now at 83% battery life. The time is just a little past 10 o'clock. It is now 10:08 a.m. So about a little over 3 hours later from this morning when I had taken this device off the charger. So actually not doing too bad. Still got 83% battery life to get us through the rest of the day, but let's go ahead and jump into my settings here. So now jumping into my battery settings, as you can see here, look at our screen on time. We are at 2 hours and 8 minutes of screen on time. So in my opinion, we're not doing too bad. As you can see, got my usage down here. Most of my usage was YouTube today. We got KindMaster because I was actually editing this video that you are watching right now. Everything up until now was already all edited on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So yes, this phone will be editing this entire video. So yeah, I was doing some 4K editing with that app right there as well. So you got the Chrome browser right there for 15 minutes. Got my Bible app, reading a little bit of the word. One UI Home, got some Twitter going on there, YouTube Studio, OfferUp. And yeah, this has basically just been my usage this morning. Gmail. Now, of course, I will be using this phone a whole lot more from here on out, but so far this has been my usage this morning. Now, within these next few hours, I might be doing a little more gaming, or actually start doing some gaming, I should say, to see how much that is going to drain the battery. So I might play some Apex Legends, maybe some Call of Duty Mobile, maybe some Asphalt 9. But yes, so within about the first 3 hours of usage of my day, this has been my usage so far. And like I said, we are at 2 hours and 8 minutes of screen on time, 83% battery life left to go, 10:10 a.m. I will be catching up with y'all in another few hours. All right, we got him. So check this out. This is one of the things that I love that you can do on a device like this is being able to hook up a PlayStation controller to play games like this. Currently playing Apex Legends, obviously on mobile here. Gameplay is super smooth on this device when pretty much playing any game. My experience has been great so far on this nice, big, beautiful display. Colors just pop, they're nice and vibrant, but gameplay is super smooth. And being able to use a controller like this just makes the experience that much better. And another thing that's allowing me to be able to have this little gameplay session like this and have the phone standing up is actually because of the case that I'm using by the sponsors of today's video, iBlason. So if I go to the back of this case here, sorry teammates, I'm gonna have to get out of this game right here, but going to the back of this case here, as you can see, it does come with a kickstand that allows me to be able to set up my phone and play games like that. You can pop it right back in. But this is their Armor Box series, and this is going to give you that maximum protection when trying to protect your Galaxy S23 Ultra. It comes in this really cool metallic red color, comes in other cool colors as well, like this metallic green color, metallic blue color, and then we also got like a matte black color. And it just overall has a really cool rugged look to it, getting some good protection for the camera lenses there, a nice deep cutout. Now this is a two-piece case, and it also comes with a built-in screen protector or another piece without a screen protector, so you can be able to use your own screen protector like the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector that I currently have on my device right now, and it works great with it. Like I said, it's going to give you some great protection, some good grip all around the edges. So if you want maximum protection, the Armor Box case is going to be the one to go with. Or you can also check out cases from their Cosmos series here. These are also going to provide you some good, decent protection, but these cases are kind of going to be pointed more towards giving your device some style. They are also two-piece cases coming with built-in screen protectors as well. So it will protect that display along with the back of your device as well. And if you do find yourself interested in any of their cases, whether it's from the Cosmos series or their Armor Box series, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can go ahead and keep that beautiful Galaxy S23 Ultra protected. Again, huge thanks to iBlason for sponsoring today's video. But let's go ahead and get into my battery settings and see what we are looking at. All right, so taking a close look at battery life here. As you can see, we are now at 55% battery life. It is 1:09 p.m., so about another 3 hours later from the last time I updated you guys. And yes, we are at 55% battery life, so still not looking too bad, about halfway through the battery life here. But let's go ahead and go into my battery settings here. So taking it into my battery settings here, as you can see, we are at 4 hours and 25 minutes of screen on time. So in my opinion, we are not doing too bad at all. Halfway or just a little bit over halfway battery life we still have left, 55% battery life, which should get us about maybe even another 4 hours of screen on time. So I am predicting we are going to get about 8 hours or over 8 hours of screen on time by the end of the day, but we're just gonna have to wait and see, and it also depends on my usage. But this is what my usage has been like so far since the last update. Got some more KineMaster there, just editing some more of the video. Little YouTube, some Apex Legends, like I told you I was playing earlier. We got Teams, which is from Google Meet, through the Google Meet app, because I did have a video call conference. So I was using the phone there for 30 minutes of straight video calling, as you can see there. Got the Chrome browser for 21 minutes, Twitter for 13 minutes. Still got the Bible app there. Went ahead and played some Marvel Champions right there for 12 minutes. Got the YouTube Studio, got some Asphalt 9 as well. So as you can see, I did do a bit of gaming on this device, and I'm not done yet. I'm going to continue doing some more gaming throughout the day as well. So you can see got some Gmail, OfferUp, messages, and yeah, that is about it. This has been my usage so far this usage, am I even saying that right? My usage so far this day. But what do y'all think? Let me know what you think so far down in the comment sections below. Now that we are about halfway through our day, do you think the battery is performing the way it should? Do you think it's performing better than what you thought it was? Or do you think it should be performing better than what it is right now? Let me know your thoughts so far down in the comment sections below. But so far, I think we're doing pretty good here. So with that said, I will see you all in another few hours. All right, so I am back with another update. As you can see, we're about 4 hours later from before 5:13 p.m. We're now at 26% battery life, so not doing too bad if you ask me. The fact that we took this phone off the charger at around 6:50 this morning and still made it to where we are now with 26% battery life left, I think we're doing pretty okay. But let's go ahead and go into my battery settings here and see what my usage has been like so far from the last update. Here we go. All right, so take a look at where we are right now. 6 hours and 46 minutes of screen on time. If you ask me, we are not doing too bad at all. We still got 26% battery life left, which is going to carry us quite a bit more into the night. But this is what my usage has been like so far. YouTube 1 hour and 9 minutes. KindMaster, Apex Legends. We got some Google Maps there going on. I did leave for a little bit and I decided to use the maps to see how that would drain the battery. So got about 25 minutes of Google Maps right there. Some more Twitter, Chrome browser, messages, Bible app still there. Some of the games I played. We got a little bit more Snapchat, OfferUp, YouTube Studio, Gmail, got some Clash of Clans right there. Let's see, what else we got here? All the stuff going down to the bottom is apps that were used the least. You can see SmartThings, custom widget. But yeah, so this has pretty much been my usage this entire day, but we still, oh yeah, the camera right there as well, 7 minutes. Just did a little bit of 4K video recording and took a couple of photos as well. I might do a little bit more 4K video recording to see how that will drain, the rest of this battery. Obviously, I'm not gonna, 4K video record the entire time, but I will do a little bit more and take a couple more photos as well. But yeah, this has been my usage. Like I said, 6 hours and 46 minutes of screen on time so far currently on that 5G connection with 25% battery life left, 5:15 p.m. You already know how we do it. I'll see y'all again in another few hours. Okay, so I'm about to make you all hungry right now. You ready for this? Look at this. Boom, look at this. We actually had this the other night and it just looks delicious, especially when taken with the cameras on this. Look at that. That is so good. Who's in the mood for some pizza right now? Look at that. Look at the way the cheese just melts off of the crust. So I just had to make you all hungry, but I love the cameras on this device and they do a really good job, especially when taking pictures of food like that. But we have finally made it into the night. As you can see, it is 9:35 p.m. We are down to 4% battery life. I didn't want to let it completely die down to 0% because then I wouldn't have been able to show you what my final usage was like and what my final screen on time is for the day as well. So you know what, I thought, hey, 4% battery life is good enough. And this 4% will probably get me a little bit later. I mean, I can probably do a few more things for the next few minutes and I'll be good. But like I said, we have made our way into the night. As you can see, 9:36 p.m. The fact that we took this phone off the charger at 6:50 a.m. this morning and made it to 9:36 p.m. with very heavy usage today. I mean, you can definitely call this an all-day phone. And I don't normally use my phone this heavy every single day. So it has lasted me longer than it did today. And I'm sure it will last a whole lot of other people a lot longer than what it lasted me today, because not everybody is a very super heavy user when it comes to their smartphone. But let's go ahead and let's go into my battery settings here and see what my usage has been like and what our final screen on time is for the day. So whoa, so check that out. 8 hours and 52 minutes of, that's almost 9 hours of screen. I can probably get 9 hours of screen on time out of this for today with the rest of this 4% battery life. 8 hours and 52 minutes. You cannot tell me that this is not an all-day phone. Battery life has definitely improved, compared to, coming from the Galaxy S22 Ultra to this, you can definitely see a huge, massive improvement in a battery life, and it's only been getting better every day. And I've been seeing this all over Twitter as well. A lot of people are having the same experience of having super good battery life with their Galaxy S23 Ultra. But this was my all-day battery drain test, so this is what my final usage is for the day. Like I said, I can probably use it a little bit more if I really wanted to, but for the sake of this video, this is my final usage right here. YouTube 1 hour and 24 minutes, KindMaster 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I did do a lot of 4K video editing on this device, not only with the video you're watching now, but another video as well. So those were my most used apps for the day, with Twitter coming in third. Still got the Apex Legends there, Chrome browser, and I'm just gonna slowly scroll through here so you can see what my usage was like for the day. Got the camera there, Maps, Snapchat, Bible, Gmail, Champions, OfferUp, YouTube Studio, Asphalt 9, Amazon Shopping, Clash of Clans. Had a quick meet call, Subway Surfers, just a quick like 2 games on Subway Surfers. But yeah, so this is what the rest of my usage has been like for the day. And it's been amazing. Battery life is amazing on this device. Big ups to Samsung for what they did with this device when it comes to battery life. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Do you think battery life is as good as I'm making it out to be with this device just based off of my video here, or do you think it can be better? Or do you think it has greatly improved? Let me know down in the comment sections below. And if you do have a Galaxy S23 Ultra for yourself, how's it been treating you? How's battery life been for you? Does it last as long as it does for me? Let me know down in the comments. If you do find yourself interested in this device, if you've been thinking about picking one up for yourself, but battery was a huge deal breaker for you on whether you are gonna buy it or not, well, hopefully this video was able to help you out. I'll have a link down in the description below for you, so you can pick one of these up. You can go look at the latest deals, and also don't forget to check out our sponsors, iBlazin, down in the description below as well. But thanks for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.